Hey y'all, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a 10-minute makeup look that you can wear for work. So if you want to see how I got this look in 10 minutes time, stay tuned. The timer has started, so here we go. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up, of course, to get them in the shape so that I can fill my eyebrows in. And after that, I'm going to go in with the Fenty eyebrow pencil, and this is a new eyebrow pencil that I got from Fenty Beauty. This color is actually a little darker than the ones that I've used in the past. This matches my eyebrows a little better. I'm not going to really go into detail with filling in my eyebrows for this because I only have 10 minutes, but I am just going to fill them in just to take away the sparse areas that you see in my eyebrows. I'm going to prime my eyes with the NYX makeup primer, and most of the products that I'm using for this video are all products that I've had in my makeup collection for a while. There's only one new product that I'm going to be using for this makeup look, and now I'm going in with the MAC Amber ×9. It is a brown eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with the light beigeish nudish color there in the middle, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye. This has a little shimmer to the eyeshadow, just a little bit, and now I'm going to go in with the darker brown at the very bottom here, and this is a matte brown, and I'm going to place that in the middle of my eyelid. And now I'm just going to repeat that step onto my other eye. The last color I'm going to add to this eyeshadow look is this dark brown color in the corner of the eyeshadow palette. And this has just a touch of shimmer to it, but not as much as the first color that I added. And basically what I'm doing to make this eyeshadow look to go a little quicker is that I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm going to kind of blend these colors kind of together, take away all the harsh lines. I've been seeing this technique all over TikTok and YouTube, where you just take 3 colors, place them on your lid, blend them together, and you are good to go. So I have been using that technique whenever I'm in a hurry and I definitely don't have a lot of time to be blending in one color and then going to the next color. Just adding those 3 colors together, taking that blending brush and taking away all those harsh lines is the best and the quickest way to apply different colors of eyeshadow colors in the quickest amount of time, and it still comes out looking just as good if I hadn't have done that particular technique. Now y'all already know this was a huge thing for me, putting this eyeliner on camera, because it's very difficult for me to do that. I was struggling to get this eyeliner on, but this is the CoverGirl brown eyeliner, And I got this eyeliner a long time ago. I don't even know if they still make this eyeliner. I think they do, but I'm not really for sure. But anyway, I was able to apply it the best way I could, looking in this very small mirror that I was looking in. I think it came out okay. But if you are not used to using a liquid eyeliner, then I would suggest to either use an eyeshadow powder using an angled brush, or you can just use a regular eyeliner pencil. It's definitely a lot easier than using a liquid eyeliner. For some reason, when I put my face to a different angle, my camera goes out of focus. So I'm going to zoom my face in a little bit to get it back on focus. All right, there it goes. And now I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. Y'all know that I have raved about this mascara, how it definitely elongates my eyelashes. Absolutely love this mascara. It's actually time to replace it. And now I'm just going to add that to my eyes, going, of course, on top of my eyelashes and on the bottom of my eyelashes to give it as much length as it can go. I'm going next with my MAC Fix and Prime Setting Spray. I'm going to spray that all over my face. And then after that, I'm going to go immediately behind that and apply the Revlon Rose Glow Primer. And y'all already know that I absolutely love this primer. And the reason why I'm doing it this way and I'm doing the setting spray and the primer second is because I find that that does make my makeup last a lot longer that way than when I do it the other way. So yeah. And then after that, I'm going in with the C Tarte Hydro Flex Serum Foundation. Y'all know this is a foundation that I've been using for a while as well. And after that, I'm just going to add just some moisturizer to this, just to kind of loosen the foundation up just a little bit. It already has serum in it, so it's already loose already. But when I add the moisturizer, it actually doesn't make it look cakey, and it again allows it to kind of last all day a little bit also. And now I'm going to take the Black Radiance HD corrector and I'm going to apply that to the corner of my eye. I did it this way to kind of save time, but as you can see, I was getting it all over the place with this foundation brush. So yeah, I had to actually just go in with the concealer brush or whatever and kind of conceal, get that concealer in first before I went back in with my foundation brush, because it was just getting all over the place. So as I was saying about the technique of adding the setting spray and then adding the primer, I find that my skin does not get as oily at the end of the day. Once I add my powder to it, it's to me a little bit more long lasting. I don't really know why it seems to work that way, but I've done it several times and I have not had really a lot of oily skin at the end of the day, which I absolutely hate. I'm a teacher. I don't have time nor is there any time during out my day to try to fix makeup and stuff. Like, so when I put it on at the beginning of the day, I need it to last until I get home. So that technique seems to work the best for me. And now I'm finished applying the foundation and the concealer and all that stuff to my face. And now it is time for me to go on in with the MAC Studio face powder, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, setting the foundation and keeping it into place, so that it will of course decrease the oil as well, keep everything exactly where it should be. And now I'm going in with the Black Radiance blush, and I'm going to apply this blush not really on my cheek area. I'm going to kind of apply it kind of a little bit up from my cheek area. And now I'm going to go in with my powder brush and I'm just going to blend that blush in just a little bit more. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the Revlon highlighter palette and I'm just going to add just a touch of highlighter, not very much. That's right above my cheek area. And then I'm just going to take that blush brush and I'm going to blend that highlighter in. And the last thing I'm going to do for my face is I added some setting spray to a blending sponge, and I'm just going to just pat that setting spray all over my face. That also lets the makeup last longer. And now for the lipstick, I'm using the Revlon Lustrous lipstick, and this is a nude color. It has a little bit of a gloss to it, but not too much. And there you have it. And as you can see, I had about 13 seconds left. I definitely meet the time, and this is the finished look for you all. A very simple and quick makeup look that you can wear to work, or you can wear to some professional gathering, or you can wear this when you are wanting to really have a nude type of neutral look to your makeup without a lot of color. All right, you all, I am Michelle Mazelleغ. Thank you all for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.